Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the latest tools and technologies to enhance your digital experience. Have you ever wondered how to use Bing AI Image Generator to create stunning visuals for your projects? Today, we'll walk you through the step-by process to make the out of this powerful. First, log into your Bing account and navigate to the Image Generator feature. Next, select the type of image you want to create, whether it's a landscape, portrait, or abstract design. Use the customization options to adjust the color palette, style, and other settings to match your vision. Experiment with different filters and effects to enhance your image further, adding depth and uniqueness. Don't forget to play around with the cropping and resizing tools to ensure your image fits perfectly for its intended use. Once you're satisfied with the results, save your masterpiece and download it to use in your projects. And there you have it. A simple guide on how to use Bing AI Image Generator to bring your creative ideas to life. We hope you found this tutorial helpful and inspiring. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks on digital creativity. Thank you for watching.